Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you a powerful story about how I turned failure into my greatest success. If you've ever faced setbacks, lost hope, or felt like giving up, this video is for you. I'll take you through my journey, from losing my job and struggling financially to building a thriving freelance business through persistence, learning, and resilience. Stick around to discover how embracing failure can open doors to opportunities you never imagined. Let's dive in and find the motivation to keep pushing forward, no matter what life throws at us. My name is Actionable, and like many others, I once faced a failure so deep that it felt like the end of everything. Just a few years ago, I lost my stable job unexpectedly, and my savings had nearly run dry. The future looked uncertain and terrifying. However, instead of letting fear paralyze me, I decided to view failure as a new beginning. I started by asking myself some tough but necessary questions. What do I truly want in life? What skills do I already have? And which ones am I willing to learn? What am I passionate about? And how can I turn that into a career? With no prior experience and very little money, I began exploring freelance work online. Those first few months were incredibly difficult. I missed deadlines, had unsatisfied clients, and earned barely enough to cover expenses. But each failure became a lesson, pushing me to communicate more clearly, manage my time more efficiently, and improve my skills every day. Slowly but surely, I built a portfolio filled with small projects that reflected my growing abilities. Every small success boosted my confidence, and each setback taught me resilience. I realized failure wasn't a barrier, but a stepping stone toward my dreams. Despite the uncertainty, I remained committed to learning and moving forward, knowing that persistence was my greatest asset. As months passed, my mindset shifted profoundly. I stopped fearing mistakes and started treating failure as honest feedback, a chance to improve rather than a reason to quit. To accelerate my growth, I joined online communities full of freelancers and entrepreneurs, attended free webinars and workshops, and connected with mentors who shared their own stories of struggle and success. Their experiences inspired me to stay motivated during the hardest moments. I developed a daily routine that balanced productive work, skill development, and essential self-care. As my expertise grew, bigger clients started to notice my work, leading to a steadier flow of projects and income. The obstacles didn't disappear, but I learned how to navigate them with resilience and flexibility. Every setback became temporary, a challenge to learn from and overcome. This shift in perspective unlocked opportunities one had never imagined, including international clients and collaborations that broadened my professional horizons. Failure had become the foundation of my success, teaching me valuable lessons in grit, humility, creativity, and continuous improvement. Through this process, I understood that success is less about avoiding failure and more about how we respond to it. With increased confidence and experience, I decided to expand my freelance work into a small digital marketing business. I specialized in content creation, social media management, and brand strategy, services that small businesses desperately needed to grow online. Building genuine relationships with my clients was paramount, and I made it my mission to deliver quality work on time, every time. As my reputation spread through word of mouth and online reviews, I was able to hire a small team to help with growing client demands. This step was both exciting and intimidating. Managing a team meant developing leadership skills I had never needed before and balancing client expectations with team capacity. But I remained grounded by remembering my journey from uncertainty to stability. I also made a conscious effort to cultivate a positive and supportive work culture, one built on learning, resilience, and empathy, values I had embraced deeply during my own struggles. Despite the challenges of scaling a business, I found great joy in mentoring aspiring freelancers and entrepreneurs. I frequently volunteered at community centers, sharing my story to inspire others who faced similar obstacles. Over time, my personal journey evolved into a mission to empower others to overcome failure and build their own success. 5 years into building my business, I had achieved what once seemed impossible. My company was flourishing, with a steady client base spread across multiple countries and a motivated team working passionately alongside me. Yet, I realized that success isn't solely measured by profits or growth metrics. It's about personal transformation. I had shifted from a fearful, uncertain young woman to a confident, purposeful leader who embraced challenges as opportunities. This transformation was fueled by the habits I developed along the way, including daily meditation, regular exercise, and prioritizing quality time with loved ones. These practices help me maintain mental clarity, emotional resilience, and creative energy, which in turn improved my productivity and leadership. I also learned that setbacks and failures are natural parts of the growth process and not signs of defeat. Sharing this mindset with my clients, team, and community became a core part of my work. I encouraged everyone to view obstacles as lessons and progress as more important than perfection. My own story continues to inspire many who feel stuck or overwhelmed, showing that persistence, self-belief, and adaptability are the real keys to long-term success and fulfillment. Today, I stand proud of my journey, from losing my job and feeling hopeless to running a thriving business with international clients and a strong team. But beyond business achievements, I am most proud of how my mindset transformed. I no longer fear failure. I embrace it as a powerful teacher and stepping stone. My message to everyone watching is simple yet powerful. Your starting point does not determine your future. Every small action, every lesson learned, and every decision to keep going builds the foundation of your success. If you're facing setbacks or doubts today, remember that these do not define you. They are part of your unique story. Keep learning, keep pushing forward, and most importantly, keep believing in yourself. Your greatest success may be just ahead, hidden behind today's challenges. Through my journey, I want to inspire you to take that next step with courage and persistence. Thank you for listening. If you found this story helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring stories that prove success is possible for everyone willing to try. Thank you for watching. I hope my story about turning failure into success inspired you to keep going no matter what challenges you face. Remember, failure isn't the end. It's a stepping stone on your journey to greatness. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring stories and practical tips to help you grow and succeed. Your journey is unique, and with persistence and belief, you can achieve the success you deserve. Stay positive, keep pushing forward, and I'll see you in the next video.